Hi, my name is Peter Pedras, and I'm here today with Sheila Schultz. She is joining PEDCO from the company Realize Agile, and we thought it's really cool that we start with an interview with Sheila. What is the background and what were the reasons why she's joining PEDCO now? So, without further ado, let's get started. Sheila, how do you do today?
Hi, great. Thanks, Peter. Just wanted to comment. I'm super excited to be working with you and the PEDCO team and the extended PEDCO partner team. Really excited to be here. I'm really looking forward to the future journey.
Yeah, so do I. Thank you. This is all exciting, Sheila. So you have a vast background. So can you share a bit about your journey, for example, at General Motors, and what inspired you to start with Realize Agile and PEDCO?
Thanks, Peter. Yeah, that's a great question. I spent over 30 years at General Motors, an automotive OEM, and have experience both in engineering and in engineering leadership. And as part of that, I had the opportunity to work with teams as we tried to adapt to fast-changing dynamic environments that were happening in the industry. So as part of that, when I started the company Realize Agile, that was the inspiration, was really to be able to positively influence companies as they transition to from a more traditional approach to be able to adapt and work with these kind of fast-paced dynamic environments.
Okay. Yeah, that's really cool. And now you started with PEDCO, and of course, I know you. It's also, but for our listeners, what does your role entail as a representative? You're a representative for the USA, for PEDCO, and for Applied Safe. So, what does that entail?
Yeah, thanks. So yes, I am now working with you and the team and a representative for the US and the Americas for PEDCO. What it entails is certainly I'll be working with the current US clients as well as those that may have interest in learning more about PEDCO and the products, Applied Safe, as well as some of our artificial intelligence companion products. So, yep, looking forward to working with team members that are out there today as well as new team members.
So let's talk about some future trends from your perspective. What do you think? What are the emerging trends in Agile and practices and in Safe that organizations should be aware of today?
Great question. Well, first of all, you mentioned artificial intelligence, AI. I see that as something that is coming that can be very helpful in this space. We want to make sure that certainly as we are applying AI concepts that we are doing it reasonably and responsibly. One of the things I think we did with the recent release of the Applied Safe AI Companion, which is an AI tool, is it was done with that in mind, certainly to be reasonable and responsible as we put that in place. And I can attest to it because as I was coming up to speed here, I used this AI companion to help me in learning. I found it helped me in certainly guiding me through. It allowed me to probe things in Applied Safe. So certainly I found it very useful when I was coming up to speed. And let's see, as far as other trends, I think you're going to see as we go forward, the Safe Scaled Agile framework itself will become simpler and more structured. I think the market is sort of evolving here in use of Agile practices, and now you're getting what you would call the phase of the late majority, where that the group of folks that are starting to come in now are expecting the evolvement of the framework to become even more simpler and to enable more companies to come in. So I see that as coming. I think our Applied Safe technology and our tool has the things that they're looking for in terms of clear roles and simplification and processes defined that is consistent with kind of how the market is evolving. And then again, we have the artificial intelligence that is certainly helpful in this area as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I couldn't agree more. I mean, that late majority is really the thing which I've seen just recently at the Berlin Safe Summit. And it's people, they are looking for things that they can reuse, that they can just do. They don't want to be the big innovators. They just want to do safe, properly, and successfully. And this is really where we are into the market. So I couldn't agree with you more. I'm really looking forward to work together with you in the US market, that we'll grow that, and to continue our successful collaboration now over the years that we know each other. So yeah, I think I'll let you find the final words, and then we will close that into you. Thank you so much. Now it's all to you, Sheila.
Thanks, Peter. Yes, as I mentioned at the beginning, I'm really excited to be here. I'm really looking forward to the collaborative journey as we move forward and positively impacting and influencing this space and companies in transformation. So looking forward to working with you.
Yeah, me too. Okay. Have a nice day. See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.